Foundation and keystone species. Some species have unusually strong impacts on community structure, preserving the balance of the community or even making its existence possible. These special species include foundation and keystone species. Foundation species plays a foundation species plays a unique essential role in creating and defining a community. Often foundation species act by modifying the environment so that it can support the other organisms that form the community. Kelp brown algae is a foundation species that forms the basis of the kelp forest of the coast of California. Kelps create environments that allow the survival of other organisms that make up the kelp forest community. The corals of a coral reef are another foundation species. The exoskeletons of living and dead coral make up most of the reef structure, with which protects other species from waves and ocean currents. Beavers, which modify their environment by building dams, can also be seen as a foundation species. Photograph of coral reef. A keystone species is a species that has a disproportionately large effect on community structure relative to its biomass or, abundance. Keystone species differ from foundation species in two main ways. They are more likely to belong to higher trophic levels to be top predators. They act in more diverse ways than foundation species, which tend to modify their environment. Example of a keystone species: the intertidal sea star Pisaster or Ocraceus, which is found in the northwestern United States, is perhaps the most famous example of a keystone species. The loss of diversity happened because the mussels crowded out other species which could normally persist because the sea stars kept the mussels in check.